If you're here to grow the tech career the same way I'm doing as a beginner, then you're in the right place. You should subscribe. Unlike me, the level I am in now, I use Tailwind for most of my styling or whatever I want to do. I mostly use Tailwind. So, but that doesn't mean I don't know CSS. I know CSS, and one of the platforms that helped me when I was starting out is CSS Tricks. If you're struggling with CSS, you can get here and learn so much things that you become a pro at CSS. CSS will no longer be an issue for you. You have docs that are very arranged that teach you how to do things right. If you maybe, of course, you know CSS, then you probably forgot one or two things. You come to Almanac, and this Almanac, they have a lot of options. They have options to help you remember what you've studied. Now we have what we call selectors, and these selectors are elements that CSS hooks into apply style. So if you click on it, we have basic concepts of CSS. You can see a class, a general sibling, or how to use a sibling, or how to create an ID. This is how to create an ID. Then the type, we have the paragraph, the anchor tags, and H1. So we have universal. So now if you click on continue reading, inside continue reading, we have a lot of things. You can, from the last time I used this site, it have changed quite a bit because there are some new stuffs that were in there before. So but it is really a good thing for you to use. This is where I learned CSS. And if you're patient enough to follow the docs, it's going to be easy for you too. But if you're not patient enough, then my brother, CSS is not for you. Now, if we head back, we have, okay, let's go to another type. Okay, let's go to properties. So let's browse through the properties. So in these properties, this is where you see, I hope you know what properties are. Properties are something like accent color. This is what we call properties. And here is their value. Now, for those that don't know how to align content or whatsoever, you head on here and you just raise it up. And they also have examples that you can follow from. Yes, they have examples you can follow from too. With them, yes, there's also a place that you have to, okay, there's the tab, CSS tab, how they show you how they actually did it and the code involved. Then you just rerun it. Think it has to refresh or something. Okay, it has refreshed. So this is how it will look like. This is how it looks like. So this basically is a very nice platform for you to learn CSS the right way. And if you follow these routes, you'll become perfect. I mean, almost perfect while learning CSS. So thanks for watching. See you in the next. Ciao.